I'm carrying 2 fucking guns. I ain't running. God damn!
Hey, Chris is all the way up on that road again.
Got him.
Got Shane, he's right here.
Alright, what's the deal?
Chris is to the left.
Jesus Christ, I'm tired. Yeah, Chris is,
Hey,
Chris is to the left.
Shane. Shane, back over here.
Yeah, no. Come here.
Guys, fly bounds, move to the right. Shane, go right. Go right. Rabbit, move.
Hold on, I gotta reload.
Okay. Russian dude, move.
Which way?
To the right.
The gun's fucking up.
Stone. Stone. Move right.
Get it. Go. You got it, Kevin?
Hey, on the hill! Right there!
Rabbit, move right. Hit. Rabbit, come medic me.
You're not letting me get shot in the back.
Move back right.
Hey!
There's a guy shooting at me right across here up on the hill.
Medic! Don't let me get shot in the fucking back.
I'm moving to you.
Hurry. Medic!
Watch that side.
The guy on the hill moved. I don't know where he's at.
We got one down at the building.
You want to get over here?
Hit.
Hey, lay down some fire.
Hey,
Shit. Hey, I'm coming back to you in the gun.
you must look down. That is blind fire.
Alright.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go. Hey, you down?
No, don't.
Take that corner.
Hey! Hey, we got one at the car, come get him for me.
Yeah,
Where?
shoot this way. Yeah. Hey, whoa, sit down.
Hey!
Hey, Rabbit. I left my mag over there. Hit.
Oh, my bad. I couldn't see the red flag.
I'm down.
Hey, Stone.
He's moving back. Cut. Yeah, let's clear these out.
I'm gonna fuck him up. I wasn't trying to shoot him.
I tried to shoot him. Shit.
Commander, hurry up.
Okay.
Remember, you do not have to wait for.
I've been taken down 3 times. I got 2 more lives.
Oh shit, that's Shane.
And he's gonna get hit. Hit!
Hit!
Shit, we have to go back. Where are the... Somebody come medic me.
Right up here.
Yeah, I can get up there. Can't be revived. I can't be revived. That's not. I can't be revived. I can't be revived. Just go.
Hit!